Hey everybody, peace and blessings. Welcome back to my channel. It's Elena. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So glad you all are here today. Today I'm going to be doing my fourth Temu haul, and this haul that I'm doing is actually supposed to be after the next one I'm going to do. So number 5 should really be number 4, but some kind of way they messed up my order and it's running late. So this one I ordered after that order, and this is only a few items. So I believe this is the smallest Temu bag I have received to date, because usually I have quite a few things on, that I've ordered. But one of the items that is in this order came back in stock after I placed that big order. I hope y'all are following this. But anyway, I didn't want to miss out on the item because I had been trying to get it back from my, I want to say it was my second Temu haul, is when I attempted to order it, but it went out of stock. It's obviously must be a very popular item. And you'll see why when I show you. But I think I ordered 2. I hope I ordered 2. I can't remember, but let's go ahead and just get into this haul. I know you guys are excited to see. I usually just buy silicone molds from Temu. I mean, I buy other stuff too, but here on this channel I usually just share my silicone mold hauls. So without further ado, let's get into this. It's always exciting to get a new Temu bag. All right. All right, you guys, so let's dig in, and the items that I was talking about are right on top, so let's get into it. Now, I do believe that this order is gonna have other stuff in it, so it's not all silicone molds, but just stick with me, okay? It's mostly craft stuff. So this is the first item, and this is what I was talking about, and I think I did order 2. Yes, I did. Here's the other one. Okay, so if you remember from, like I said, that previous haul, I'm not sure if it was number 2 or number 3. I think it was number 2. I had gotten these glitter shapes, and they were Christmas shapes. Well, the original shape that I saw were the presents. Hopefully y'all can see that. They're presents. And so when I went to order all of the other ones, this was out of stock, and this is the one that I really wanted. So like I said, when I placed my other order, my other big order, it wasn't in stock because I was prepared to buy it then, but then shortly after I placed that order, they came back in stock. So I was like, let me just go ahead and buy them, because it seems like every time that I want to order a lot of stuff, this is out of stock. So this is just a a mini Temu haul today. All right, what's next? Oh, this is super tiny. I had no idea this was this small. This is a mold, and it's a sphere. It's 20 millimeters. Okay, it's tiny. This is really tiny. Okay, but it's a sphere. And I'm working on a pyramid mold, and I saw some designs that actually had spheres in them, and so I was like, yeah, I want to do that too. So this is actually the perfect size. Now that I'm thinking about it, this is the perfect size for the small pyramid mold to put a sphere in. So I'll be making that really soon, because I'm working on one now just to kind of try it out to see how the design comes out. So I'll see if I can insert that in my current piece. If not, then I'll just make another one. Here's another sphere. It's the next size up. Okay, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I figured can never go wrong with a sphere, right? So I don't know, we'll see what we'll make with this. That's that. The next thing I got was this pen, and this is one of those I believe it's a weeding pen, and I always see people with them and they're so pretty, and I was like, you know what, I want one too. And I had to get pink. Pink is my favorite color. But yes, it's a weeding pen. I don't know if y'all can see the tip. Y'all can see that. It's very fine. Anyway, I'm definitely going to be using this a lot because I have a Cricut and I'm always cutting stuff out. Okay, next up I got these tassels. This is 144 pieces. Now, I found this. I have other tassels, you know, here in my craft stash, and I couldn't find them. I'm working on a project right now, and you know, some bookmark projects, and I couldn't find my tassels, and I knew that I had a whole bunch of them, and I could not for the life of me figure out where I put my tassels. Well, wouldn't you know it, shortly after I placed the order, I found them. So now I have a crazy amount of tassels. All of them are multicolored, even the ones that I had previously. So I guess I'll be making a lot of bookmarks, huh? So there's that. And then the rest are silicone molds. Okay, it's not really a lot because y'all saw the bag. It wasn't a, you know, a big bag. But yeah. So here's the first one, and I'm mad that they bent it. But it's a comb, one of the comb molds, just a regular comb mold. And I'm gonna have to take this out now because they bent it and it's misshapen. How did they do that? Oh, it's not misshapen. I guess it was just the plastic. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, so got the comb mold, and if you saw one of my hauls, I can't remember which one it was, or even if I did it on this channel, but I have a mold for some picks, some hair picks. So I want to get some other combs as well, but this is just the first comb mold that I got. So there's that. And then these two are the same. These are barrette molds, and I got them for the heart and the star molds. If you guys remember, I had gotten the regular hair barrette molds. Yeah, and I really like the way that they're coming out. So I was like, oh, when I saw these, I was like, oh, let me buy these because it's a different shape, you know, not just the plain shape that the other barrettes come in. So I figured, you know, I make a variety of barrettes, and plus I have a whole bunch of the clamps, the actual barrettes. When I bought the molds, they came with like all of these, there's 60 pieces in here. So I have plenty of the barrettes to actually put on the different, you know, shapes that I'll make. So that's that. And so that's it. That's it for this Temu haul, you guys. This is just a very short one, like I said, very quick. I was really just trying to secure these, and I didn't want to just pay. I forgot how much I paid for them. I'll try to put the prices on the screen when I go back to edit. But yeah, I really wanted these, and I'm glad I finally got them to complete the little collection that I have. I'll be using these, you know, obviously for Christmas, because the other ones are like Christmassy colors as well, and they're Christmas shapes. So I know I'm gonna have fun with these when the time comes, but I wanted to get them while I could. So yeah. All right, you guys, if you haven't shopped at Temu, I highly suggest you give them a look. Take a look and see what you may want to find on there. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. But Temu has a lot of stuff. I'm definitely addicted to buying these silicone molds. The prices are just so bomb on there for everything, you guys. It's very easy to get hooked, you know, get addicted to buying on Temu because the stuff is so cheap, and then the turnaround time is not bad either. It's usually about 2-week turnaround time. So if you're interested in checking Temu out, I will definitely have a link down below for you to you know, go check out the website. I also have a code, I believe it still works, for first time buyers to get 30% off. And I'm also an affiliate, so if you do purchase using my link, I do get a small commission, but it's at no extra cost to you. It's just, you know, for using my link. So I'd appreciate it if you did. It'll help me to keep buying things here for the channel and stuff. So yeah, check them out, and happy shopping with them because you're gonna have fun. I'm telling you, there's a lot of stuff on there. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go. I don't want to drag this video out. I want to go ahead and start creating over here. Okay, so stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you like Temu hauls and you want to see more. All right, so with that said, I'm gonna go. I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to go out there and create something new and trust your dopeness. Peace, you guys.